Were you waiting for me earlier? I went shopping for you. I spent 2 hours for you, little bitch. Who whines. Little whiny bitch. Is that what you are? A little whiny bitch? Oh, you're just going to leave that little piece of bread because it doesn't contain any bacon? What was that announcement, bitch? What's the suspicion about? You think I'm going to eat you or something? Oh, you're doing a little turn, a little curvature of your spine, are you? I've not really looked into your anatomy, how your spine works, etc. You see that seagull over there, my father? That is the one that I want. Now, there was a time when you would be going around the bins and you didn't give a fuck if Mafalda was here or not. Now, all of a sudden, you're not letting her take dominion, and she was doing a good job of keeping the fort running.